Okay, let's start our discussion now. Ramana, Vinu,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
everyone. So we have a same topology, one FortiManager device and FortiGate firewalls. I think FortiManager is ready. Let me access FortiManager device and let's go for other devices. So firewall box one, you can check now. Firewall box one IP is 190 IP. Let's configure IP address on FortiGate firewall box two. Username admin, config system global, set host name, and this is firewall box 2. Config system interface, edit port number 1, set mode static, set IP 192.168.1.191/24. Set allows HTTP, HTTPS, ping SSH, and now I'm trying to enable FGFM service. Okay, let's go to firewall box. Config system interface, edit port number 1, set allows HTTP, HTTPS, ping, SSH, and FGFM protocol. So let's go to 40 manager device, and I'm trying to register our devices. Ramana, will you clear my point? I'm trying to register FortiGate firewall box 1 and FortiGate firewall box 2. So you can go to add device option. You can go to add device option, and right now I'm working with discover option. So if you have a connectivity with your devices, if you have a connectivity, then you can go with discover option. So I'm trying to discover my first device, 192.168.255.190. Username, admin, password, 123. Before initiate this option, let's go to FortiManager device and we can enable SSL protocol. So config system global, set FGFM SSL protocol SSL version 3. Now let's go to each firewall devices. Config system central management, set encryption algorithm default. So you can use this command, okay, on all FortiGate firewall appliances. Config system central management, set encryption algorithm default. Now let's try to register both the devices. So you can go to IP address, admin, and what? IP address, username, and password. Click on next. Click on next. And now you can see this device information, IP address 192.168.255.190, host name firewall box 1, serial number, model number, firmware version, standalone, administrator. And this is firewall box 1. I'm trying to add provisioning template option. Remember our discussion with for provisioning template, Ramana, Vinu, provisioning template or system template discussion? Everyone? Everyone, can
Yes,
you hear me? Remember our discussion on provisioning template?
Yes, sir.
Provisioning template, device level setting, right?
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so I'm trying to push this default provisioning template with this firewall device, firewall box 1. You can click on next. Please wait, it's taking time. Device is added successfully. Now I'm not pushing any policy package and object right now, so we can click on import later. Here we can go with import later option. Now this is firewall box one. Let's try to register our second device. Second device. So second device is 192.168.255.191. Username admin and password 123. Click on next. And I'm adding provisioning template default. Click on next. Okay, so two devices are registered now. Devices added successfully, import later. Now you can see here we have devices information. Devices information FortiGate firewall box 1 and firewall box 2. Config status is what modified. Config status. And if you check on both firewall devices, for example, 192.168.255.190, this is FortiGate firewall box 1. 190 and 192.168.255.191. This is FortiGate firewall box 2. So now you can see you are getting a message. If I'm trying to log in, okay, you can see I'm getting a message. This FortiGate is currently managed by FortiManager device. You can log in, you can go with login read only, or you can go with login read, right? Okay, let's try to log in into this FortiGate firewall box 2. Firewall box 2. So this device is also managed by FortiManager device. You can get device information, see, you can get central management manager information, FortiManager information. So managed by FortiManager, and this is FortiManager IP address. Let's go to FortiManager device. And now you can see this config status is what modified. Config status is what modified. So you can right click, and you can go with install wizard. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to push device level setting. Whenever you configure anything, whenever you change anything in device, you need to push your configuration. So config status right now, it's modified. You can right click, you can go with quick install, or you can go with install wizard. Let's go with the install wizard option first. You can click on install wizard. Right. Okay, we have two options here. Install policy and package device setting. And we have install device setting only. So let's go with the device setting only, because policy package we can discuss later. Okay. So let's try to push device level setting. Just click on next. And yes, we have two devices. Firewall 1, firewall box 2, IP address. Click on next. You can go with installation preview and see connection is up. Click on install. So database is not equal in between FortiGate firewall and FortiManager. That's why we are getting this status is what modified. And once you push the configuration, once you have equal database in between FortiManager device and FortiGate firewall box, you can get a status here synchronized. Okay, I will show you. Wait. Finish. And now you can refresh this page and you can get the information. Config status is now synchronized. Okay. You can refresh. Wait, it's taking time. Yes. See, now we are getting what? Config status is synchronized. So we have three options. Actually, we have three options. Config status, synchronize, and auto update. Auto update. We'll discuss auto update later. But right now you can see status is what synchronized. So this is the option to register your device. Now we have one more option to register our device. Ramana, Vinu, everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So now we have one more option to register our device. Okay, let's go to add device. What we can do, we can go with add model device. This option you can select, add model. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to register this FortiGate Firewall Box 3. Okay, wait. Let's configure host name first. Config system global set host name. And this is Firewall Box 3. Config system interface. Edit port number 1. Set mode static. Set mode static. Set IP 192.168.255.192/24. Set allows HTTP, HTTPS, ping, SSH, FGFM protocol, config system central management, set encryption algorithm default. So now let's go to FortiManager device. And now third box, I'm trying to register with this option. So you can go with add model device. So in add model device, we can add all our appliances. We don't have connectivity. We don't have connectivity right now, but we can add all model devices. For example, this is FortiGate Firewall Box 3. So we need serial number of this device. Serial number. And when you paste this serial number here, copy and paste your serial number here, for example, it will automatically detect OS version and model. See, device model is FortiGate VM64 and OS version 6. You can give a name. You can give a name, for example, Firewall Box 3. Firewall Box 3. And just click on next. So we don't have connectivity. If you click on finish, we can get the information, but you can see now a new message. We have a new message. What? Unknown. Unknown. So config, synchronize, unknown, and we have one more option, auto update. So right now it's unknown. It means we have entry only. We have entry only. So what you can do, you can go to FortiGate firewall device. You can go to FortiGate firewall device, and from FortiGate firewall device, you can send a registration request. So this is the next option to register our device. We can send registration request here. Registration request. So let's go to FortiGate Firewall Box 3. This is Firewall Box 3, everyone. You can go to Security Fabric. You can click on Setting. And now we can enable this Central Management option. And what I'm doing, I'm trying to add FortiManager entry. So what is FortiManager entry? FortiManager IP address 192.168.255.195. When you click on apply, you can see you are getting a message, everyone. You are getting a message here. What? Waiting for management confirmation from FortiManager administrator. And once confirmed, full control of this device, FortiGate, will be granted to this FortiManager device. And this is FortiManager IP address. So you can click on OK. It means you are sending a registration request to FortiManager device, this local administrator. Now you can go to here, you can go to FortiManager, and you can see now I'm a FortiManager administrator. You can see now I'm getting a message here. What? One device configuration is out of synchronization. If you click on here, you can see this device name. See what? Firewall Box 3. So we already have an entry. We already have an entry. If you don't have entry, no problem. You can send a registration request, no problem. You can send a registration request here. Everyone, 192.168.255.192. So if you don't have entry, you can send a registration request. Okay, if you have an entry, then you can see you are getting a message out of sync. Device is here. Information is here, but it is out of sync. So you can just click on this option. You can select your firewall device and you can retrieve the configuration. You can click on close. You can refresh this page. So this is the option to register our device. I hope it's clear. Vinu, Ramana,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Vinu for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. It's taking time. It's taking time. Okay, no problem. But this is the option. You can register your device. Now you can see you have three devices, Firewall Box 1, Firewall Box 2, and Firewall Box 3. See, three devices you have right now. In case if you want to work with any device, for example, I want to work with Firewall Box 1. You can just click here, and this is your Firewall Box 1. This is what your Firewall Box 1. You can manage your Firewall Box 1 from here. You can see system dashboard. This is dashboard information. In dashboard, what you have, system information, this device information. You can restart your FortiGate firewall device from here, restart or shut down. License information you can verify. This is FortiGate firewall box IP address. You are connected with port number 1. Connecting user admin. Connectivity is up right now. Okay, you can see this total revision number. This point is important. Revision number. What is revision number? I will tell you, but this point is important. What revision number? Okay, let's go to these options first. So dashboard, you can go with dashboard, interfaces, SNMP, replacement message. These options are available right now by default. In router tab, you can configure static routing, OSPF. In case, if I want to configure RIP and BGP, then these options are not available. See, these options are not available. You can click on display option. You can click on display option, and now you can click on customize. And you can add services. For example, administrator, admin profile. Now, RIP, BGP, policy route, for example. Now, DSCP, just click on OK. So you can get all the options here. See, administrator, admin profile, see, static route, policy route, OSPF, RIP, BGP, you can configure. Let's go to interface tab, for example, interface tab, and these are what? Interfaces. I want to configure any interface, okay? Port number 3 is LAN interface, for example. You can select, you can click on edit. You can click on edit. Now alias name. So alias name, I'm using what? LAN. IP address. So IP address, for example, 50.50.50.1/24. Ping service. Click on OK. Click on OK. So yes, we have IP address. Now you can go to manage device, and you can see now you have a message what? Modified. And you can see everyone, this FortiGate firewall box 3 status is synchronized. Ramana, Venu, everyone, firewall
Sir.
box 3 is synchronized now, okay?
Yes.
It's working slow, okay? Now, you can see this information, what? Modified. Modified. So once you configure anything in FortiGate firewall box 1, you can see the config status is modified. It means database is not equal in between FortiGate firewall and FortiManager. If you check into this FortiGate firewall box 1, if you check this FortiGate firewall box 1, so we don't have any IP address, okay, on port number 3. Let's verify. Network interface, and yes, no IP address right now. So config status is what? Config status modified. So whenever you configure anything, you need to push this changes. You need to push this device level setting. Right click, install wizard, or you can go with quick install. Let's go with the install wizard again. So install device level setting, click on next. So what information you are trying to push right now? You can click on next, and you can click on next, and you can verify. Before install anything, you can go with install preview. You can verify what information you are trying to push in FortiGate firewall box 1. Please wait, it's working slow. Okay, now, yes, IP address on port number 3. Yes, 50.50.50.1. This configuration we are trying to install. We are trying to push. So you can click on install. You can click on finish. And now you can refresh this page, and you can verify this config state as what? Synchronized. See, config state is what? Synchronized. Let's go to firewall box 1, and we can refresh this page, or you can log out and log in, and you can verify this configuration information here. IP address on port number 3, and yes, we have IP address on port number 3. IP address on port number 3. Let's configure something. For example, let's go to firewall box 1 again, and I'm trying to create an administrator account. Administrator account, for example, administrator, create new. So administrator is admin 5. Type is local user. Password 123 123, and profile I'm using professional underscore admin. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. Let's go to manage device, and again we have a config status modified. So now this time I'm not using quick install. Sorry, this time I'm not using install wizard. No, this time I'm going with quick install option. What is quick install? If you don't want to verify installation information, installation preview, then you can go with quick install. Okay, I don't want to check anything. I just want to install the configuration. So you can go with quick install option. Click on OK. So I don't want to check installation preview. Okay, I want to push the configuration right now. So you can go with quick install tab. You can verify this administrative information in FortiGate firewall box 1. Now finish. And you can check on FortiGate firewall box 1. Refresh this page. You can go to system tab, administrator, system tab, administrator. So you can verify now admin 5. Admin 5. So we have synchronized, modified, unknown. Let's talk about one more option. So as a local administrator, okay, as a local administrator, I want to configure something. Ramana, Venu, as a local administrator, I want to configure something. Okay, I want to configure interface, for example. I want to configure policy. Okay, let's configure something. As a local administrator, I want to change something. Interface, port number 4, for example. So port number 4 is a DMZ port. DMZ port and IP address I'm using 60.60.60.1/24 ping service. Click on OK. So as a local administrator, I want to configure something into this FortiGate firewall device. Now, you as a FortiManager administrator, you can get some information here. If you refresh this page, you can get some information here. Wait.
Sir, why is that firewall 2 is modified? We did not make any
Modified.
changes right,
Maybe some changes in background, okay?
in background. Okay.
Yes, yes. But you can see now, everyone, this new option. This new option, what? Auto update. So we have messages what? Synchronized, right? We have what? Modified, and what? Unknown, and what? Auto update. So what is auto update? What is auto update? So as a FortiManager administrator, I want to verify, okay, if local administrator will configure something, I want to verify configuration changes is happened on FortiManager device, or it is happen on local FortiGate firewall device by local administrator. So whenever you are getting auto update message, you can say this configuration changes is not made by this FortiManager administrator. It is made by local admin account. Clear this point? Ramana, Vinu? Auto update means what? Vinu, clear? Ramana?
Any changes made by local administrator.
Local administrator, yes. If you get this message, this status, auto update, it means this information is not made by, this change is not made by this local FortiManager administrator. It is made by local firewall administrator. Vinu, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 4 messages here, okay? Now let's go to firewall box 1. Let's go to firewall box 1 again. And now let's talk about this revision number option. This revision number. Revision number. So whenever you are configuring anything in firewall device, whenever you are configuring anything, this revision number will increase. Whenever you configure anything and push your changes, this revision number will increase. Right now we have a revision number, total revision number is 6. If you click on here, you can get all revision number information, revision number history. So first revision number, when you try to register your device, So we have multiple revision number. Whenever you configure anything, it will create a revision number. Remember our last changes, auto update, configured by local firewall administrator. So yes, we have created by auto update. So with this revision number is what? 6. This is latest revision number. Latest revision number and created by auto update option. Auto update message means what? It is configured by local administrator. If you want to compare your revision number with each other, okay, if you want to verify differences in between revision numbers, so you can verify, no problem. You can, for example, I want to check the difference in between revision number 6 and revision number 5. Yes, I can verify. Okay, you can just select your revision number, click on view differences. You can click on revision differences. And I want to compare with revision number 5. So yes, revision number 5, you can select. You want to check full differences or only differences? So show differences only. You can click on apply and you can verify. You can verify here. This is what a revision number. This is okay. Revision number 5. This is what revision number 5. And this is what revision number 6. So in revision number 5, we have IP address on this interface 50.50. Yes, we have same information. But on port number 4, we don't have any IP address. But in new revision number 6, yes, we have IP address on port number 4. Clear my point? So you can compare, we know. Ramana, you can compare your revision number. I hope it's clear. Everyone?
Yes, it's clear.
I
Yes,
hope
sir.
it's clear.
Clear.
Now let's go. Okay, in case if you want to restore your revision number, for example. Okay, I want to restore my firewall device with revision number, for example, revision number 3. With revision number 3, I want to restore my configuration. Revision number can help you. It's like a backup, it's like a snapshot. Okay, I want to restore my configuration with revision number 3. So you can just select this option, and you can see the option retrieve config. Retrieve config. You can just select this option. You can click on retrieve config. This will take time. So my point is you can restore your configuration with revision number. Now click on close. Now you can see you have a new revision number because you changed something. You retrieve your configuration, click on close. So my point is whenever you change something, this revision number will increase. And in revision number, you can verify what information we have in each revision number, what configuration we have in each revision number. Okay, now clear this point. Now let's go with the next option. How to push any CLI script. How to push any CLI script. For example, let's go to this text file. I have one CLI script. Yes, this one. So I have one CLI script. Ramana, Venu, I have one CLI script, and this CLI script I want to push in FortiGate firewall box 2. This is device level configuration, right? See, interface configuration, port number 4, port number 5, policy configuration, routing configuration. Clear my point, everyone?
Yes.
Venu, Ramana,
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to push this CLI script into FortiGate firewall box 2. Now the point is, if you go with the CLI script, you can click on script option. And actually we have two options for CLI script. You can go with CLI and TCL script. So TCL is an automation something. I'm not talking about TCL script. I'm talking about CLI script. I have a CLI script. So what you can do, you can upload this CLI script. Okay, let's go to, okay, let's see, close this. And you can click on import CLI script, add files, and you can go with CLI script, open, click on import, click on close. So yes, we have one CLI script. This CLI script I want to run in FortiGate firewall box 2. So you can select this option, you can select this script and click on run script. I have 3 firewall devices, right? I have 3 devices, firewall box 1, firewall box 2, and firewall box 3. For example, I want to push this CLI script in firewall box 2. Just click on run now. But before push this script, wait, let's delete this. Before push this CLI script, let's change something. Okay, I want to show you one troubleshooting. Wait. So I'm changing something into the CLI script. Okay, for example, SNMP index number I'm changing is 6, and for port number 5 I'm using 8. Okay, let's save this configuration changes. And this script I'm trying to upload in FortiManager device again, add files, FortiManager CLI script, FortiManager CLI script, click on open, click on import, close. And now this CLI script, you can select run script. This CLI script, I want to run into FortiGate firewall box 2. Select this option, run now. Okay, you can add this device and now you can run now. Click on OK and wait. Okay, you can see now, Vinu, Ramana, you can see now we are getting a message, right?
Yes.
Run
Errors.
script, run this FortiManager CLI script, finish with error. So we have a issue. You can click on detail option. You can get a detail information. So this detail information can help you a lot. Okay, this information can help you. See, a script FortiManager CLI, okay, this is a script executed on local database of FortiGate firewall box 2 failed. Reason? Yes, we have a reason. System interface port number 4 SNMP index is invalid. So we can get a, see, with this message can help you to troubleshoot. So the issue is for what into this script? Issue is port number 4 SNMP index. So let's delete this CLI script and I'm trying to change into this script. So for port number 4, because if you go and check in FortiGate firewall box 2 or on any FortiGate firewall box, we have SNMP index number for each interfaces. And you can see for port number 4, SNMP index is 4. For port number 5, SNMP index 5. But you can see here in our CLI script for port number 4, SNMP index we are using 6. So let's modify 4 and for this it's a 5. So now it's a correct CLI script. You can save these changes. And let's upload this CLI script, add file, and FortiManager CLI script. Click on open. You can click on import. You can click on close, and now you can see, you can select, you can click on run script. And I want to run this script in FortiGate firewall box 2. Select, and now you can click on run. Okay. You can see we are getting a message. Run completed successfully. Vinu, Ramana,
Yes.
everyone, run completed successfully. You can click on close. You can click on close and you can go to device and group, manage device. And you can see now manage device. You can see firewall box 2 status is modified. Quick install. Let's go with the quick install. Click on OK. And we can verify this changes. This script changes in FortiGate firewall box 2. Wait. Click on finish. And now you can verify in FortiGate firewall box 2. Username admin, password 123. So we can verify this changes. Let's verify IP address on port number 4 and port number 5. So network tab, interface. And yes, we have IP address on port number 4 and port number 5. If you check policy, yes, we have a policy in between. In between port number 2 and port number 3. Clear this topic, everyone? Let's continue this topic tomorrow, everyone. Okay, Ramana, Venu,
Yes, sir.
with other student. Okay, guys?
Yeah,
Please
sir.
connect tomorrow, same time. Bye,
Yeah,
everyone. Take. Yes.
Sir, what time I can connect for this rack?
I will update you on WhatsApp, Venu, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure, I will
Good
update. Yes.
Okay.
Bye, everyone. Take care, guys. Good night.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, everyone. Bye.